A frog factory in China. There are huge pools and facilities equipped with advanced technology. The frogs, whose growth process is completed, are carefully collected when it is time to harvest. Hygiene and quality control are kept at the highest level in frog factories. That's how it works, friends, at these incredible frog factories in China. This factory is a technological marvel that perfectly organizes every stage of snakeskin production. Once the snakes grow and mature, it's time to produce skin. Snake skins are carefully processed in the factory and prepared for various products. The skins are first cleaned and then dried. These processes give snake skin a unique and exotic appearance. On this incredible farm, eels are raised with modern technology and careful care. When the eels reach a certain size, they are carefully collected using special equipment and methods. Then, the eels are carefully processed and made ready for sale. In this wonderful place, thousands of catfish are raised and processed. The catfish production process is a complex process that requires modern technology and meticulous care. When the catfish reach a certain size, they are carefully collected. This process is carried out with extreme care to prevent damage to the fish and to preserve their quality. The fish are carefully collected and sent to the processing plant. In these facilities, fish are processed and packaged under hygienic conditions. Mussel farms are equipped with modern technologies for healthy and fast growth of mussels. The harvesting process is truly impressive. When the mussels reach a certain size, specially designed automatic harvesting machines come into play. These machines carefully collect the mussels and transport them to the processing plant. The processing plant is fully equipped with hygienic and modern equipment. Mussels are carefully cleaned, sorted, and packaged here. Worm production is carried out using much more advanced technology than traditional methods. So, what are these worms used for? This is where things get even more interesting. Worms are processed for use in organic fertilizer production, fish feed, and even cosmetic products. These factories use state-of-the-art equipment to maximize the environmental and economic value of the worms. The harvesting process is truly dazzling. When the worms reach a certain size, special harvesting machines come into play. These machines carefully collect the worms and transport them to the processing plant. Spice Factory. Yes, the world's most delicious and aromatic spices are produced in this wonderful factory. In the factory, spice plants are processed with high-tech machines. The first step is to clean and dry the herbs. After the drying process, the spices are sent to the grinding machines. These machines grind spices into fine powder. During the grinding process, special cooling systems are used to keep the spices fresh and aromatic. This ensures that the spices are of the highest quality. Seaweeds are grown in specially designed offshore farms. When it comes time to harvest seaweeds, special boats and machines come into play. These machines carefully collect the seaweed and transport it to the factory. At the factory, seaweeds are carefully processed and turned into various products. Here, the power of technology emerges once again. It's truly amazing to see how this delicious dish is produced in a modern factory. After the rice is ready, proceed to the preparation of sushi rolls. At this stage, fully automatic sushi machines and slicing machines cut the sushi rolls into equal slices, and each slice is of the same quality. Is carried out. After the packaging process is completed, sushi products are stored in cooling warehouses and made ready for distribution. Kimchi is one of Korea's most beloved traditional dishes, made from fermented vegetables. But have you ever wondered how this delicious dish is produced in a large-scale factory? Here is a great process that will satisfy your curiosity. This factory is equipped with advanced technologies to ensure that the crabs remain fresh and delicious. It all starts with carefully selecting the freshest crabs. The crabs are taken directly from the sea and quickly brought to the factory. Here, it is controlled by advanced quality control systems, and only the best crabs are processed. Snail production is a process that requires both attention and technology. It all starts in specially designed greenhouses. These greenhouses are arranged to mimic the snail's natural habitats. Humidity and temperature levels inside are constantly monitored and adjusted with advanced sensors and automatic control systems. If you're ready, here we go. Sea urchins have a very valuable place in world cuisines and are especially popular in Asian cuisine. Well, have you ever wondered how these delicious seafood are produced in the factory? Let's explore this fascinating process together. It all starts with carefully selecting the best quality sea urchins. Sea urchins taken from the sea by fishermen are quickly brought to the factory. Here, sea urchins are subjected to strict quality control processes, and only the best ones are processed.